Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines for clothes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Wittefig handheld sewing machine. This portable sewing machine is perfect for quick fixes and emergency situations, making it ideal for travel, DIY projects, or small household sewing needs. Its compact and lightweight design means it's easy to carry and store, while the ergonomic build allows for comfortable use. With 2 power modes, either 4 AA batteries or a DC 6-volt power source, you can use it anywhere, whether at home or on the go. The included tools, such as bobbins, safety pins, and a needle threader, ensure that you have everything you need right out of the box. This machine is well suited for beginners due to its straightforward operation. However, due to its handheld nature, the Wittefig is not ideal for larger sewing projects or thicker fabrics. It's great for quick repairs on lightweight materials like t-shirts, curtains, or handkerchiefs. But it struggles with robustness when compared to traditional sewing machines. That said, if you're looking for a portable option for emergencies or small-scale DIY projects, this could be a solid choice. Just keep in mind that the price is currently unavailable, which may make budgeting for this option a challenge. The pros include portability, ease of use, and a complete starter kit. The cons are its limited functionality for heavy-duty projects and the lack of pricing transparency. Overall, the Wittefig handheld sewing machine is best suited for users who need a quick and convenient solution for lightweight sewing tasks. At rank number 4 is the Snowvoice handheld sewing machine. This upgraded mini sewing machine is compact, lightweight, and designed for simplicity and efficiency. One of its standout features is its improved power and reduced noise, making it a quieter option for quick sewing tasks. Dual power modes, AA batteries, or USB connection give you flexibility depending on your environment. With a sewing speed of up to 375 stitches per minute, it offers dense, strong stitching for lighter materials such as silk, wool, or jeans with a thickness of up to 1.5 millimeters. The package includes essential accessories like threading needles, bobbins, and a spindle, so you can start sewing right away. While it performs well for small-scale projects, the Snowvoice is not a replacement for a full-sized sewing machine. It's best used for quick repairs, small DIY projects, or sewing on the go. Its compact design makes it easy to operate with one hand, but the absence of advanced features like multiple stitching options or reverse functionality limits its versatility. Additionally, keep in mind that this machine is better suited for lightweight fabrics and may not handle thicker materials effectively. The pros of the Snowvoice include its portability, quiet operation, and ease of use. The cons are its limited capability for heavier fabrics and the lack of advanced features. If you're looking for a compact and efficient sewing solution for light materials, this is a solid choice, especially for beginners or those who frequently travel. The pros of the Snowvoice Insta-Satisfaction is limited to. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Magic Fly Mini Sewing Machine. This compact and stylish machine is perfect for beginners who want a simple yet effective tool for household sewing tasks. What sets this machine apart is its dual-speed functionality, allowing users to toggle between high and slow speeds depending on their experience level or project needs. The included extension table makes it more stable and capable of handling larger projects, while the built-in light adds visibility for precision stitching. Magic Fly also includes an impressive accessory kit with bobbins, needles, scissors, a seam ripper, and even a storage bag, making it a great value for first-time users. While the Magic Fly mini sewing machine meets basic sewing needs, it does lack versatility in stitch types and does not offer reverse functionality. Additionally, it's not suitable for heavy-duty fabrics or advanced sewing techniques, as it only provides a fixed stitch width and length. The mini size is convenient for storage, but may feel limiting for more experienced users or those tackling larger projects. Despite these drawbacks, its user-friendly design and thoughtful accessory kit make it a popular choice for beginners looking to master the basics. The pros include its dual-speed settings, extension table, and comprehensive accessory kit. The cons are its limited stitch options and lack of advanced features. Overall, the Magic Fly mini sewing machine is perfect for beginners or casual users who want a compact, easy-to-use machine for everyday sewing tasks. At rank number 2, we have the Brother GX37 sewing machine. This model is an excellent budget-friendly option for users who want a versatile machine without breaking the bank. With 37 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, it offers more variety than many other machines in this price range. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin make setup and use incredibly easy, even for beginners. Included accessories like 6 sewing feet, bobbins, and an instructional DVD add extra value, making this machine suitable for a wide range of sewing and quilting projects. Design-wise, the GX37 is lightweight yet sturdy, with a versatile free arm that caters to both basic and advanced sewing tasks. It's compact enough for easy storage, but robust enough for frequent use. Performance-wise, the GX37 shines in its ability to handle various fabrics, from lightweight silks to heavier denim. However, while it offers a lot for the price, it may not include some of the premium features found in higher-end models, such as an extended arm for larger projects or advanced stitch customization. The pros of the Brother GX37 include its affordability, wide range of stitches, and beginner-friendly features. The cons are its lack of advanced features and limited compatibility with heavier-duty tasks. At $109.98, it's a fantastic choice for beginners or those on a budget who want a reliable and versatile sewing machine. And finally, at the top spot, rank number 1, we have the Brother XM2701 sewing machine. This premium model combines lightweight portability with advanced features, making it the best all-around sewing machine in this lineup. With 27 built-in stitches, including decorative and stretch options, as well as an auto-size buttonhole function, it offers versatility for a wide range of projects. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin make it user-friendly, while the free arm design allows for precision sewing on cuffs, sleeves, and other tight spaces. For added value, it comes with 6 sewing feet, a twin needle, bobbins, and an instructional DVD, everything you need to get started. The XM2701 is well-built and designed to cater to both beginners and experienced users. Its performance stands out with smooth stitching and reliable operation across various fabric types, including heavier materials. The machine is compact enough for easy transport, yet sturdy enough for frequent use, making it perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. While slightly pricier than the GX37, the XM2701 justifies its cost with premium features and an overall better user experience. The pros include its wide range of stitches, beginner-friendly design, and premium accessories. The cons are its slightly higher price and limited stitch count compared to some high-end models. At $129.99, the Brother XM2701 is the best choice for those who want a lightweight, full-featured sewing machine for everyday use or more demanding projects. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.